Welcome to Srushti's Wonderland. I introduce you to my little brother Yogu. Hello. Today we would like to share with you our favorite books. Which books to start for beginners? Don't think twice. Go with these books which are very easy to read and understand. In my next category comes the read-along books followed by Aesop stories which are very easy to read and it ends with a moral. Pop-up books develop interest for beginners with cute and beautiful pop-ups in every pages. If you ask me about a cute book, I would suggest Tales from the Carrot Patch. Many publications has come up with interesting stories, big books with colorful pictures. Are you searching for Ramayana for kids? Choose this one. It is very easy to read, understand and its illustration is amazing. In the category of comics, I would prefer Magic Pot, Tinkle and Chacha Chowdhury. Tenali Raman makes us think and laugh even after reading the story. Interested in fantasy and investigation? Arabian Nights is the best choice. The next set of books that children should definitely read are Amar Chitra Kada, Jadaka Tales and Panchatantra. Now comes my favorite book, Princess Comics Treasury. I consider it as treasure since 28 stories from Disney is in the form of comics. All Disney lovers of any age can read this.
My favorite books in one screen.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.